Hello there today. Today, the topic of our discussion will be the Manchester United will be trying to make a new winning start to life under the new interim manager, Mr. Ralph Raniak, and to what extent will that be successful? So, as he takes charge for the first game of Crystal Palace versus Manchester United, because we have seen that Ralph Raniak has finally arrived and he will be taking charge of the Crystal Palace game. So, four things which we can see from his training session for the Crystal Palace game as he has taken charge of the Sunday game. United, who got back to winning ways with a thrilling 3-2 win over Arsenal on the Thursday evening, installed the experienced German coach Mr. Ralph Raniak as their new manager with a 6-month deal followed by a 2-year consultancy contract. Due to the delay with his work visa, Raniak was forced to take up watching brief against Arsenal, watching the action unfold alongside John Murdoch from the director's box, before being unveiled officially to the media at an Old Trafford press conference this morning. You know, following his first meeting with the local and national media, Raniak took training at Carrington for the very first time, as he began to put plans in place for Sunday tussle with Palace. But what happened during the Germans' first training session as United's interim manager? Below men's sport, we have seen and we have taken a look at the four instances or four issues that can be seen from the Friday's press conference but with this manager. Raniak gets his ideas across. The first point that we see that in the press conference, the entire press was just waiting to tear Raniak apart because he was a new signing. He was a fresh German coach who had just arrived. So the media had a lot of questions for him. The media was ready. The media wanted to tear him apart, but he did not let the media, take advantage of that, and he fought back at the media. So Raniak's first task was getting to know his players properly. That was his first task, which was to get to know the players properly. The German has been pictured in deep conversation with many of his players and was spotted handing out some instructions to Mason Greenwood and Nemanja Matic. Raniak will be looking to develop his knowledge about the players as each day passes. As each day goes, he will be seen to develop his knowledge about the players, get more into, accord, develop a deeper knowledge, and eventually take over the job. Throughout his expansive and lengthy managerial career, Ralph Raniak has, proved his worth many a times among youngsters, proving, his worth, proving his, influence in the afternoon games, proving, how good he is. While the German has a plethora of big names, experiences, superstars to work with, he also has no shortage of experience. This is something Raniak has said in his first training session. Before his first training session, Raniak has said that he has plenty of experience to go down with. Plenty of experience to work with. He has enough young experience to work with, and also enough experienced players to carry his team forward. While the German, has both of the best. So United have no shortage of youngsters like Greenwood, Sancho, Rashford, but United also have a mountain of experienced players like Cavani, Bruno Fernandes, and and Ronaldo, not to speak. And he was spotted training in two players, Steton Mengi and Ahmad. Mengi, despite featuring in preseason, has not made a single appearance at senior level this term, while Ahmad has been battling his way back to full fitness in recent weeks following an injury. However, they could now fancy their chances of getting some first-time minute under the belt, as Ralph Raniak always prefers to give young, hungry players chances. these young youth players could for the first time have some chances. And yes, I am right, all of your favorite player who's Van de Beek for the first time could have a particular chance to basically impress Raniak and get back into track with this match. Van der Beek could impress Ralph Raniak and get back into this match. He could get back in it and and get through to it. Having experienced a difficult time at Old Trafford under Solskjaer, Donny van der Beek will be hoping that he can resurrect his United career under Raniak. This is another issue. Van der Beek could try and resurrect his career under Raniak because it has been under attack. He has been having problems. He has been having serious issues. So he could resurrect his career, under Ralph Raniak. There is no reason why this midfielder could not be able to perform really good, as he is one of the players, type of players who Raniak prefers the most. Raniak prefers the most young, fast-paced players. On Friday, Van der Beek was pictured working with the ball at his feet, with Raniak keeping a very close eye on the proceedings. Whether he will be thrown straight into the starting lineup against Palace remains to be seen, but he will have, considerable level of goal time, and players like Van der Beek and Sancho could be the players who could get the most advantage because of Ralph Raniak. They could end up having the most advantage because of Ralph Raniak. The German was spotted in a deep conversation with Kerry and McKenna during Friday's session, no doubt trying to find out as much as possible about his players, as well as filing him in on what his plans are for the visit of the Palace. Raniak for now has not brought any of his own coaching staff, so this is a big issue. We know that Michael Carrick has retired recently. He, after giving 15 years of service, he has finally retired, and we can take a moment of solace, in order to pay our respects to him, because Carrick was an excellent, assistant coach. He was good. But as we know, Ralph Raniak, will be bringing his own coaching staff. So that's as Raniak said in his first press conference, I'm more than happy to work with the current coaching staff because I need their experience, but I will also try to add 2 or 3 people, from my, who can join us, from my particular, clan, who can join me and guide me towards a better, and an improved side. So with this in mind, I must say, that this is, a serious issue right now. So this is Ralph Raniak's particular, expertise, and these are the few points that Raniak has talked about in the first match between Crystal Palace and Manchester United after, analyzing the match. And, this is something I have pointed out as well. So yeah. So this is something, and so finally I would like to say, what do you think about this? Do you think Raniak will be able to bring out the best? Let's see what happens. Till then, take care.